Assalamu alaikum, myself Azal from RV Junkie. How are you guys doing today? Well guys, today unboxing video is on the one and only by Moonlight by Fragrance World. Sorry, not by Moonlight. Moonlight, the one and only by Fragrance World. Layla al-Qamar, a Moonlight, Atoor al-Alam. Again, not actually Fragrance World. I'm sorry, I'm getting confused between these two companies because actually they are one behind. Atoor al-Alam is indirectly in Arabic, which is Fragrance World. So let's unbox it. This one is clone of Dolce & Gabbana, the one Luminous Night. So the entire review, honest review video will be on my channel soon, coming to my channel. So do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button. The one and only by Atoor al-Alam.